I talk about diet a lot, but there's actually something more important than what you eat when it comes to wellness. And guess what? Most people don't even know about it, and it's free. What? Because we almost alkaline. Yeah, almost alkaline. Yeah. Yeah. Rastafaro. Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, we got another one. Had to take this one outside. It's a beautiful day in Vancouver. Just want to get in touch with the trees, get that vibe and that energy from nature. I recommend you do the same thing.
Sported the mighty empress in her natural state, meditating, grounding, connecting the source.
And on that topic, this is free health. This is free wellness. We come out here and we're able to, tune in with nature and get our health up, get our wellness up just by being amongst the trees. And today's video, we're gonna go into the number one factor when it comes to our health and wellness. It's free, you can do it anywhere, and we all have an equal capabilities to tune into this and to master this. So what is that? It is your thoughts, your mind. We get so caught up in the diet, we think it's all about the food. But the food isn't even the most important factor when it comes to wellness. It's our thoughts. When you look at scientific experiments and you look at a placebo effect, they can give someone a pharmaceutical drug that's gonna give them some kind of chemicals that is gonna produce an effect in their body. But the placebo is they give a sugar pill and the person thinks they're getting that pill, and your body, your thoughts create that same chemical. So that's just outlining the power of the mind. I could talk about this for hours. I may go into it in the future, but I just wanted to give you guys 3 tips on how you can maximize the power of the mind to reach optimal wellness and reach that optimal state of vitality and just vibrance. So number 1 is we must believe in what we do. Once you make a choice, first off, this goes for anything, but once you make a choice for what we're talking about now is to go plant-based, to choose a specific way of eating, then believe in it. Go all in. Get all of the doubts out of your mind, right? So how do we do that? When you have something that's contradictory, when you're feeling these doubts, replace that thought with something that's positive. So if you have a thought of, I hope eating this way helps me, switch that thought and go, I know this way of feasting is gonna help me, and I'm so excited. And it's just those simple things where we can just switch our belief, because our belief is the most powerful thing. So use that to your advantage. That's number 1. And number 2, be thankful, be grateful. Whatever it is that you're eating, wherever you are on your journey, when you sit down, when you're in the grocery store, when you're planting your food, whatever it is that you're doing, give thanks. Just say, I'm grateful for this meal. There's a reason why in all these different cultures they give thanks before they eat. And that is because they understand the power. These are ancient ways, there's nothing new under the sun, and this isn't nothing new. Give thanks for your feast. No matter what you're eating, it's gonna make sure you get the most out of what it is that you're feasting on. Number 3 is to slow down. I don't just mean slow down as eat slower, but I mean actually eat and be present when you eat. A lot of us, we have such busy days. We're so busy. We don't even have time to eat. What? What's up with that? So I'm recommending when you eat, just eat. If you have work to do, stop that work for this time and just focus on eating. If you have somewhere to go, make time for you to eat. Because when we're all say you're in the middle of work, this work may be causing stress on your system. You're producing cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It makes you feel like you're being chased from a dog, like you're running, like you're in the fight or flight state is what they call it. And that means your digestion is shut off, right? So you can't even digest. So it's not putting us in the optimal state for us to welcome these nutrients into our body. So as you sit down, slow down, be grateful, give thanks for this food that's on my table, give thanks for this food, and just put the work away. Sit down for a little bit and just enjoy the food that's on your plate. And to take that a little bit further, you could get mindful when you eat. Look at the food, look at the beautiful colors that are on your plate. Get that experience of the colors. Smell the food. When you bite, feel the textures of the food. So even the experience of eating, you can get mindful, slow it down, and that's gonna take your level of appreciation to the next level. And just like anything in life, the more you appreciate, the more you have intention to what it is that you're doing, you're gonna get the most out of it. So those are 3 simple ways that we can take advantage of the mind so that we are gonna be able to be in the optimal state for us to reach this health and wellness, so that whatever it is that we're eating, we're gonna be able to get the most out of it. So let me know if you guys have any tips for me on how you use the mind for your benefit, how you use your mind to achieve this optimal state of wellness. And like I said in the last video, we got the new group, Almost Alkaline, and we're gonna be going into all these different things, not just the food. It's not just recipes here. We're looking at how do you create that recipe in your mind for gratitude, love, kindness, and joy, all this. These are all recipes we're putting together. So go join the group, Almost Alkaline. The link is gonna be in the description, and share with me. Let me know how you're utilizing the mind, the most powerful tool we have at our disposal, for your benefit. All right, much love. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Ja Rastafaro.